Hi, Gearshifters. It is a beautiful sunny Monday in the mountains. A little chilly, but I have a lunch break and wanted to use that to just ride up on the Parkway for a little bit, and thought that I'd bring you along. So it's just going to be a quick little loop today because I only have an hour. Now that we're all gassed up, we can head to the Blue Ridge Parkway. Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful day. Super excited that I can get out and ride. One 63 goes right along the New River. This is my favorite part of 163. It's just beautiful. And we're going to be taking 16 up to the Blue Ridge Parkway. Very quickly, we will be getting onto the on-ramp for the Blue Ridge Parkway. Right here. Here we go. We're less than 150 miles from Asheville if we take the Parkway there, and we're entering Jeffres Park. There are several lookouts along the route that we're taking today, and I'll pull over and let you check them out. Even though it's warmed up, you can see there are icicles on the side of the road. This is the Lump Overlook, elevation 3,465 feet. As you can see, it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You can see the water down there. I'm not sure if that's the New River or it might be the Watauga. I'm not really sure, but it is pretty. With the leaves off the trees, the views are much further. So, this is Mount Jefferson, right over there. So pretty. Little information about Mount Jefferson. Oh, wow. I can see snow or ice up on the tops of a few of those mountains. You can clearly see them from here. this is an overlook that is definitely better during the winter. Because as you can see, with all of these trees, it's normally very difficult to see across. But right now, we have a good view of the Blue Ridge. So this is Betsy's Rock Falls. We're a little bit higher here. It's 3,180 feet is where the falls are, but we're actually above it by almost 300 feet. So where I'm standing, it's 3,400 feet exactly. But see, now you can just see through all the trees. Very, very, very peaceful. I think all the leaves that were gonna fall have fallen. All right. Now we're gonna go into Binge Gap. The elevation is 3,000. With all the leaves off, you can see all the way up the mountains, but you can also see through the trees, so a lot of the curves that were blind before won't be blind, and just the views are so pretty. Yeah, this is my favorite time to ride the Blue Ridge, assuming there's no ice on the ground, because there are very few cars. Most people come up when the leaves are out.
There, the icicles are melting.
So they have the Cascades Trail, which is a 30-minute round-trip walk that goes through the hardwood forest to the Cascades of the Falls Creek. Since I stopped at the other outlets, I'm not going to have time to do the walk, but it is a great place to come and walk and stretch your legs if you're out on the Parkway. Tompkins Knob Overlook. They have the Jesse Brown cabin, and then behind the cabin there is a church, and the Cascades parking area is about a half mile down that way. See, with the trees down, you can see the roads down below. Man, that's pretty. All right, now it's time to go home. If we went right, we would get to Wilkesboro, but just look how pretty that is.
Thanks so much for coming along with me. My name is Jordan. I believe in gear shifting gratitude. Please take a second, hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, let me know. Give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. My name's Jordan, and I believe in gear shifting gratitude.